think becoming a millionaire by 30 is impossible. Think again. It's not about luck, privilege, or being born into wealth. It's about strategy, discipline, and taking consistent, smart steps toward your goals. This isn't just a guide for dreamers, it's a blueprint for action. Whether you're working a regular 9 to 5 or starting from scratch, I'll show you exactly how you can turn your normal job into a path to millionaire status before you hit 30. Let's get started. The first and most important step to becoming a millionaire is changing your mindset. Forget what you've been told about work-life balance, doing what you love, and finding a job that gives you meaning. Those ideas are great, but they're luxuries. If financial freedom is your goal, your priorities need to shift. Adopt what I call the millionaire mindset. This means focusing on results, not excuses. It means working hard today so you can enjoy true freedom tomorrow. Understand this. You can't build wealth if you're constantly indulging in instant gratification. Sacrifice and delayed gratification are your best friends on this journey. Understand the power of simple math. Let's talk about the basics. Becoming a millionaire isn't magic, it's math. If you earn $50,000 a year and save 20% of your income, you'll have $10,000 saved in a year. Over 10 years with smart investments, that $10,000 per year can turn into $200,000 or even $300,000. But here's the problem. Most people don't understand the numbers. They live paycheck to paycheck, overspend, and don't track their expenses. Start by creating a simple spreadsheet. Log your fixed expenses, rent, food, transportation, and figure out how much you can realistically save each month. And remember, don't spend frivolously. If your net worth is $2,500, spending $250 on a single night out is not just irresponsible, it's sabotage. Get smart with your money now, and it will pay off later. Choose a career with unlimited earning potential. Your job matters a lot. The truth is, not all jobs are created equal when it comes to building wealth. If you're serious about becoming a millionaire, you need a career with unlimited earning potential. Forget about jobs that cap your income or don't reward hard work. Instead, look for roles in commission sales, trades, or industries where overtime is common. These jobs may not be glamorous, but they're lucrative. And here's a key insight. Focus. Instead of spreading yourself thin with multiple side hustles, dedicate yourself to mastering one skill or industry. Put in 10,000 hours to become an expert, and the financial rewards will follow. Live below your means. One of the biggest barriers to wealth is overspending. Most people live above their means, constantly upgrading their lifestyle as their income grows. Don't be like them. Adopt what I call a broke mindset. Live as though you're earning half of what you actually make. Cut out unnecessary expenses. Pack your lunch instead of eating out. Skip the overpriced coffee and make your own at home. Here's a personal example. For over a decade, I followed a simple rule. No drinks, no fries. When I ate fast food, I'd stick to the basics and skip the extras. It wasn't glamorous, but it saved me thousands of dollars over the years. Small habits like this can make a big difference. Save for your first big investment. Let's talk about your first big milestone, saving $50,000. It's not easy, but it's the foundation of your journey to wealth. Here's why. $50,000 gives you the capital to make meaningful investments, whether it's real estate, stocks, or starting a business. Without this initial nest egg, it's almost impossible to generate significant returns. How do you get there? Stick to the 50% rule. Spend no more than 50% of your after-tax income. Drive a used car, live in a modest apartment, and cut back on luxuries. It's not about deprivation, it's about discipline. Remember, this is temporary. Once you hit that $50,000 mark, the opportunities open up. Invest in real estate with rental income. Real estate is one of the most reliable paths to wealth. More than 80% of millionaires build their fortune through property ownership. Start by purchasing a home with rental income. A duplex, triplex, or house with a basement suite can generate cash flow while your property appreciates in value. Here's a pro tip. Buy the biggest home you can afford with at least one rental unit. This way, you'll benefit from both rental income and tax advantages. Don't know where to start? Reach out to a trusted real estate agent or mentor who can guide you through the process. Don't let your ego derail you. Once you start seeing success, it's easy to let your ego take over. Fancy cars, expensive vacations, designer clothes, it's all tempting. But resist the urge. Focus on building wealth, not flaunting it. It's okay to reward yourself occasionally, but don't let lifestyle creep eat away at your savings. The key to lasting wealth is staying disciplined, even when you're earning more. The path to freedom. Becoming a millionaire by 30 isn't easy, but it's possible. It's about making smart choices, staying focused, and playing the long game. Start by mastering the basics of money, finding a career with unlimited potential, living below your means, and making smart investments. Remember, wealth isn't just about money, it's about freedom. The freedom to live life on your terms. So start today and take the first step toward the life you deserve. If this video inspired you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs to hear this message.